Ladies, if you follow what I'm about to tell you, I know without a doubt, undisputably, undeniably, that you will find the right relationship and you will make that guy fall in love. I could promise you. Just watch.
Like a bowl.
Ladies, so let's talk about the strategy to make him fall in love with you naturally. This is just natural, all right? And ironically, this is something that I teach in my course, Natural Chemistry. Because my last course, the Psychological Game of Attraction, you know, it was a little fucked up. I'm not entirely proud of that course. But somebody had to put it out there, right? Oh, my fault. Sorry. I'm on YouTube right now. What am I doing with my evil laugh? So this is a strategy that I teach in that course, and you guys can check it out. By the way, I just posted a video on Instagram. It's a productivity video. So go to my Instagram and check it out. You should follow me there, okay? And I know some of you guys only follow me just to do the live stream, and then you guys unfollow me. I know your tricks, all right? I know. But if you're part of the Mindful Gang, you don't do that shit, all right? And also, you can support me. I know a lot of people are asking me how to support me. Just purchase my products online. Purchase my courses. I just posted a new course about mastery on my Thinkific. I just posted a bunch of courses. Go check it out. Or if you want to rep this shirt, all right? All right, so this is how it's done, right? The way to deal with guys, what's I saying? The way to make a guy fall in love is this, naturally, right? First of all, you got to realize this. There are people out there in the world that will never love you. It's like their bodies, their chemistry, it's like literally their bodies at a chemical level, at a molecular level, you guys just don't vibe. You know those people who you just randomly run into? It could be the fucking mailman. And for some reason you have chemistry with the mailman. That happened to me before. Where some dude was showing me his room, right? He was moving out and I was moving in. And yo, me and him had just great chemistry. It was so fucking weird. It was like, dude, how the fuck are we so cool? We don't even know each other, right? There's some people, it's not like I banged them, first of all, okay? I'm not gay, all right? A lot of you people need to realize that shit, okay? I'm just open and very relaxed and not too, like, strong on with gender and shit, right? So that's something is that there are some people in your life will just naturally like you, right? The problem is that you hinder that naturalness in two different ways. One, you stick with the wrong person, right? Because your ego is involved. So you're not giving chance to the right guy because those guys take a while to meet. You see what I'm saying? It takes a while for things to just click. It takes a while to meet that guy, right? And two, you're fucking it up because you're being too goddamn needy. Sorry. You're messing it up because you're being too needy. You see, so it's kind of like, even though there's chemistry, you know when your parents tell you to do something, but they're being dicks about it, so you don't do it? It's kind of like that. It's kind of like, it would have worked if you would have just slowed the fuck down. It would have worked if you would have. By the way, man, YouTube is really hitting my views because of the cursing, man. I gotta stop cursing, man. It's really affecting my views, man. I'm trying to be famous here, man. Can't be letting a curse word get to me, right? And about that, recommend me to your friends. Don't be selfish, people. And I'm gonna be having another seminar in New York City at the end of April, so I want you guys to go check that out. Yeah, not at the end of April, but like the weekend before it ends April. But I'm gonna put the link tomorrow on the description down below. Okay. So as I was saying, right? What was I saying, right? I was talking about. Let me. You stick with the wrong guy, and so you don't give yourself the chance to meet the right guy, right? And then another thing that you do is that you just mess it up because you're just trying to make this work so fast. This is a strategy. The first thing is this: develop this mindset. I believe in the law of attraction, right? And I'm actually making a course about that soon enough, right? I believe in the law of attraction. And I always write down my goals. And one of my goals that I write down is about my partners, right? I'm very specific about what I want. I know exactly what I want. I'm very specific, right? So when a girl doesn't like me, I don't say she didn't like me. I just said she just wasn't the one. Because the right one is out there in the universe waiting for me. She's gonna come to me. I'm doing the right thing. I'm focusing on my purpose. I always do things around other people, right? I'm always out there, You see? And I don't stay with women that are wasting my time. I'm always kicking women out of my house when they're trying to play that bullshit with me. Oh yeah, I've kicked women out of my house. I definitely have. And I've definitely rejected a lot of women who I could tell are a little too ghetto for me, right? Because I know what I want. Like I'll dump a girl if I know like if a girl doesn't like other women, sometimes I just don't even I'm like, all right, if she leaves, I don't care because she just doesn't fit what I want. As superficial as that is. You know, I could be superficial sometimes. I'm changing though. I'm changing. I'm learning to be nicer, right? So you gotta know what you want. Know what's good for you. Write it down. Write it down what you want, right? So that then when you don't see what you want, when the person's not what you want, you get turned off because you want what you want so badly that when the person doesn't have those traits, you get turned off. You have to believe you're gonna meet that guy. Because your body is meant to connect with people. There are people out there who you're gonna meet, who you're gonna connect with, and stop and get this and be. I was gonna say stop and give other guys a chance that you might not have given, right? But you want to be able to say, I want this kind of guy or better, or what's better for me. Don't just say I want this kind of guy. Say I want this kind of guy or better. You're open to the universe. You're open to what the universe has for you, but your intention is clear. Right? So that's one thing because what that does, what's funny is that what that does, it raises your standards. Like me, I get turned off about things that are very specific. Like if I notice a woman is being late or being like very or like just being like distant with me, my instincts is that I get turned off now. Before I used to get anxious. Now I just get turned off. I'm like, you know what? I don't even think I want to talk to her no more. It's like an instinct. You see what I'm saying? That's how you want it to be. The next thing is this, is that when you meet a guy, and I know a lot of you ladies don't agree with me with this. I know, I get it, but I promise you because, like, if you meet a guy, it's much better to take the slow route. So if you know him from work, that's fine. You can see him every day, but when it comes to seeing him outside of work, always let him see you once a week at the most for the first 2 months. Why? Because you see him once a week and text him once a week. Why? Because you want, and actually don't even, I will let him initiate all the contact in the first month, right? Why? Because you don't want to be putting any pressure. You want to give him distance. And the reason why you want to give him that distance is because naturally, if that guy will naturally like you, he'll naturally begin to develop emotions for you after a month or two. Honestly, every woman that I've ever fallen in love with gave me the distance. And the second thing is that I never really loved her at first. I never really like even had any chemistry with her at first. I just thought to myself, I'm just gonna, bang this girl and we're gonna have threesome and stuff like that, but nothing's ever gonna happen. Nothing's ever gonna go further than that. And what would happen is after a while, I would develop feelings for her. See what I'm saying? But I swear to God, ladies, that is the key. Is that you gotta like be the one that wants your space. You be the one that wants the space because that's why the guys that love you don't like back because you want your space. You don't like them, so give me some space. That causes them to like you more. So you keep that distance. You only see him once a week for the first 2 months, and I swear to God, ladies, you will. The right guy will end up falling in love with you, and you don't even need to play games. Honestly, just see him once a week, text him once a week, keep your distance. Don't be too like you know what I'm saying. Like be more relaxed, right? Be more regal, right? Right. Don't get too emotional, right? But then after 2 months, get vulnerable. Talk about something in the past that hurt you. Talk about an experience that really brought pain. You want them to feel sympathy and empathy for you. Like, oh, for real, you went through that? For example, that one girl that I really liked, I remember this one redhead that I really liked. The moment when I started liking her was the moment when she told me the story of when she had her birthday and none of her friends showed up to her birthday party. That's sad as shit, first of all. A part of me laughed. I was like, really? God damn, I'm with a loser now. She was like, don't fucking say that, you asshole, right? Right, and so and then I was like, oh fuck, I felt bad, right? But in that, and that was like after 2 months, and for some reason I started to like her more, right? Then she didn't like me, like she just stopped liking me. People, all right, it happens. Sometimes people just don't like me, right? I know a lot of dating coaches act like their lives are perfect, but at least my life is not perfect. I make a lot of mistakes, all right? I get dumped sometimes, so I'm on the side of sometimes. I'm on the other shoe sometimes, you know what I'm saying? But what I'm trying to say is that by just keeping your distance, right? And always being the one that creates the distance, right? But that doesn't mean when you're with them, you're not cold, that you're cold. When you're with them, be warm. I know I said earlier to be more regal, right? But also, you want to be regal and then sometimes be more yourself. Like, for example, you're serious, right? Until he says something funny, you're like, oh, get out of here. You know what I'm saying? But you keep it, you lower the intensity of your, like, of your interest by just 20%. And just make sure you don't tell him how much you like him. You see what I'm saying? Just make sure you even say that you want something. You even say that you want something that's more open, not open, but like you're seeing other people and you don't know who you want yet. No, not actually not that. It's that you're seeing other people and that you just want to keep it casual, right? Guys, I know this is goes against what some of you ladies have, but you guys have to understand sometimes the road towards your goal is the indirect route. This is the indirect route. Honestly, because by saying that you want a relationship, for some guys it might raise their defenses, or it might raise their defenses. It might turn them off, or it might cause you to lose some power because now you're exposing it. You see what I'm saying? So this strategy is very simple, man. You're just keeping that distance. And you being warm, but when you're not with them, you're a little cold. You text them once a week. In the first month, you don't initiate, and then after that, you initiate. Text them once a week, say how's it going, and then what you want to do after, and what's important though is that once every 5 dates, once every 4 to 5 dates, you cancel. And you just say, hey, I'm not feeling it today, or you just say, hey, my friends came and we're gonna go out, right? You want to give them some, like, you want to make them, you want to make them realize how important you are, because sometimes, like for example, I had a girl who I see every morning, not every morning, like once a week, right? And I took her for granted, right? Then she canceled on me last week, and I want to see her this week. You see what I'm saying? Like, it even works with me, right? And it's good that she did that, because like I want to be able to want to see her, and that's a good thing. I'm excited to see her now. You see what I'm saying? So that's how you do it. Is that you keep them in love by keeping your distance from time to time, and then you grow, you get close, and then you get close and then you slightly pull away. You get close and then you slightly pull away. You see what I'm saying? And that's how you do it. You don't have to be unhealthy about this. You don't have to rely on using like the evil shit that I teach. That's just for entertainment purposes. This is how you really do it, and this is how you really get like a good relationship. And I talk a lot. This is my whole course, Natural Chemistry, is based on this video. You know what I'm saying? Because I gave you guys too much fucking fire in the last 5 years, people. It's too much fire for women. You guys shouldn't be knowing this shit. I get why guys are mad. I get it. Oh well, I gotta make money, people. All right. So, anyways, you guys be safe. This is Alex from Mindful Attraction. The Mindful Gang support it. I keep thinking it says Mindful Gay. I don't know. I don't know why, man. I bet there's a lot of mindful gay people out there. Don't forget to support the channel, and peace out, motherfuckers. Oh, Instagram, new video just posted. See you guys there. All right, ladies. So finally, I have released my second course for women, which is Natural Chemistry. This course is a 5-week course. 5-week course where every week you're gonna get a new set of videos based on specific issues. This course is all about how to create and maintain the attraction in any man. This will help you create love. This will help you deepen the love with your man. This is not about manipulation. This is not about playing games. This is genuine natural chemistry. No more short-term partners. No more being fooled. Why? Because I will reveal to you not only how to create attraction in the first week, but also how to understand male nature, how to understand their tricks, how to prevent from being too attached, signs that he's the wrong guy, signs that he's a narcissist, signs that he's a mama's boy, signs that he's an emotionally available guy, emotionally unavailable guy. We go over everything. We go over this 3rd week, setting boundaries. We go over the 3rd week, controlling your emotions, right? Setting boundaries, 4th week. 5th week, embracing your masculine and the feminine, right? And on top of that, I have over 10 different bonuses. 10 different bonuses, my Lord have mercy, right? With a money back guarantee. The bonus are 1, the natural chemistry, over 10 hours of content, right? The breakup formula, how to deal with a breakup, right? The connecting with your man, right? Establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, the goal setting seminar, which is about how to set and achieve goals, practical mastery that will teach you how to master anything. The laws of human nature. I have a book club for the laws of human nature with over 4 hours of content, right? The transformational seminar in a pocket, which is my mindfulness seminar, and the Chase audiobook. This originally is $1,800, but you get it starting at $97, ladies and gentlemen, right? $97. We have different packages, but all of this starts at $97. And you know what? You can check it out for free if you want. Yeah, for all the freeloaders, I have free videos just for you. Free videos, all right? So you could just check it out for free and then you could get out. Nothing wrong with that, all right? So, and on top of that, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. That's right. No questions asked. I don't mind. I just want you guys to check it out because I know when you take one look, you're going to want to buy it. I can promise you. Just like my other course, the psychological game of attraction, it was a hit. You're gonna love this one. This one is not about manipulation. This is genuine natural chemistry. Order it now. All right. I'll see you guys inside. Peace out.